Welcome back to AZ Timeless Motorcycles, where classic motorcycles, real-world prices, and rare finds come together across the U.S. market.
I'm going to turn it up there, okay? I'm going to go take it down the driveway. Just stand by the drive and take a picture. No helmet. There he goes.
Number 1. 1951 Harley-Davidson Panhead, $17,500, Oakdale, Pennsylvania. The 1951 Harley-Davidson Panhead stands as one of the most influential American motorcycles ever produced, marking Harley-Davidson's transition into more modern engine design. The Panhead engine introduced aluminum cylinder heads, improving cooling efficiency and long-term durability while retaining the unmistakable V-twin character. This example retains its original frame and motor, which is critical for collector credibility. Meanwhile, the remaining components reflect period-correct functionality rather than cosmetic over-restoration. Featuring a rocker clutch and jockey shift, the riding experience is entirely mechanical and immersive, demanding skill and attention from the rider. With a clear title and reported running condition, this Panhead balances authentic vintage presence with real-world usability, making it appealing to both seasoned collectors and traditionalist riders. Number 2. 1954 Norton Dominator Model 88, $9,000, Frenchtown, New Jersey. The 1954 Norton Dominator Model 88 represents the golden era of British motorcycle engineering, combining performance, handling, and reliability in a way few competitors could match. Powered by a 500 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the Model 88 gained its legendary status through the use of the wide-line featherbed frame, which transformed rider confidence and cornering stability. This chassis design became the benchmark for decades of motorcycle development. This example is described as running and shifting perfectly, suggesting consistent maintenance rather than static display ownership. With professional shipping available and strong mechanical condition, this Dominator offers a rare opportunity to own a British classic that remains genuinely enjoyable on modern roads. Number 3. 1967 Triumph Tiger T100C, $6,750, Diamondale, Michigan. The 1967 Triumph Tiger T100C was designed specifically for the American market, blending road performance with light off-road capability during the height of the desert racing era. Its 500 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine delivers responsive power, while its lighter chassis offers agility unmatched by larger displacement rivals. This example was purchased from the original owner and includes original paperwork and manuals, a level of provenance that significantly enhances long-term value. The seller's emphasis on controlled viewing reflects the bike's preserved condition rather than restoration shortcuts. As interest grows in mid-displacement British motorcycles, the T100C continues to gain recognition as one of Triumph's most versatile and engaging classic models. Number 4. 1969 Honda CB 350, $2,500, Greensboro, North Carolina. The 1969 Honda CB 350 is often credited with redefining global motorcycling by proving that reliability, performance, and affordability could coexist. Featuring a smooth overhead cam parallel twin engine, the CB 350 offered unprecedented ease of ownership compared to British contemporaries. This example runs well, carries a clear title, and appears largely unmodified, making it an ideal reference point survivor. Its manageable size, predictable handling, and robust aftermarket support make it equally appealing to new vintage riders and experienced enthusiasts. The CB350's reputation ensures steady demand and long-term collectability without excessive ownership costs. Number 5. 1978 BMW R100S, $2,250. Watertown, Wisconsin. The 1978 BMW R100S was engineered for high-speed touring and long-distance reliability. Powered by BMW's signature air-cooled boxer twin engine, and known for shaft drive durability and stable highway manners, the R100S became a favorite among endurance riders. This example has been stored for several years and is currently not running, positioning it as a recommissioning or restoration project. With a title in hand and solid mechanical fundamentals, it offers strong value for mechanically inclined buyers. Properly serviced, these machines are capable of extremely high mileage while retaining smooth and predictable performance. Number 6. 1978 Yamaha XS650, $3,900. Martinsburg, Maryland. This 1978 Yamaha XS650 offers an outstanding balance of reliability, simplicity, and classic styling, with just 8,775 original miles. Recently serviced with rebuilt carburetors and a new battery, the bike is fully sorted and ready to ride immediately. Known for its durable parallel twin engine and smooth power delivery, the XS650 has become increasingly popular among both riders and collectors. This example comes from a private collection and has been well cared for throughout its life. With a clean Maryland title and no known mechanical needs, this XS650 represents an affordable and dependable entry into vintage Japanese motorcycling. Number 7. 1969 BSA Lightning A65, $3,500, Ukiah, California. This 1969 BSA Lightning A65 is a true barn find survivor, discovered in an abandoned airplane hangar in California's Napa Valley. Showing just 1,073 miles, the engine kicks over with strong compression, indicating excellent internal condition despite long-term storage. The bike retains its original character and presents a rare opportunity for either preservation or light recommissioning, with a clear California title. This Lightning offers collectors a chance to own an authentic low-mileage British twin that has not been over-restored. For enthusiasts who appreciate originality and history, this BSA represents exceptional value in today's vintage market. Number 8. 1974 Suzuki GT750, $3,800, Cincinnati, Ohio. Known as the Water Buffalo, the 1974 Suzuki GT750 is a landmark motorcycle as one of the first mass-produced liquid-cooled two-strokes. This example runs well, with strong compression, smooth shifting, and fully functional electrical systems. The cooling system has been serviced, carburetors cleaned and synchronized, and numerous components replaced to ensure mechanical reliability. While the bike would benefit from cosmetic restoration, such as paint, chrome work, and new tires, it remains a solid and complete platform. With a clean title and relatively low mileage, this GT750 offers an affordable entry into one of Suzuki's most historically significant models. Number 9. 1959 MV Agusta 150 RS, $7,000, Laguna Beach, California. This 1959 MV Agusta 150 RS is a rare and elegant Italian lightweight, with matching numbers and just 8 kilometers since its restoration. Known for precision engineering and racing heritage, MV Agusta motorcycles from this era are increasingly sought after by collectors worldwide. The bike presents beautifully and reflects careful restoration, while preserving period-correct details. Its compact displacement and refined design make it ideal for display or light riding. As classic Italian motorcycles continue to appreciate, this 150 RS represents a unique opportunity to own a piece of European motorcycling history. Number 10. 1976 BMW R96, $3,000, Greenville, South Carolina. This 1976 BMW R96 is a well-used but properly cared-for rider that reflects the durability BMW airheads are known for. With nearly 64,000 miles, it has been ridden regularly and maintained rather than stored. The bike runs and rides, includes a new battery, functional gauges, and comes with carburetor synchronization equipment and fluids for future servicing. While not cosmetically perfect, it offers strong mechanical fundamentals and a clean title. This R96 is ideal for enthusiasts seeking an affordable, usable classic BMW rather than a museum piece. Number 11. 1972 AMF Harley-Davidson Aermacchi SS 350, $3,000, Lincoln, Nebraska. The AMF-era Harley-Davidson Aermacchi SS 350 offers a fascinating blend of Italian design and American branding. This 1972 example is mostly original and starts and rides, though it does require some tuning, likely involving points or carburetor adjustment. Lightweight and agile compared to traditional Harleys, the SS 350 is increasingly collectible due to its uniqueness and limited production numbers. With a clean title and honest condition, this bike appeals to collectors seeking something truly different within the Harley-Davidson lineage. Number 12. 1972 Triumph Trophy TR 650, $3,300, Stanchfield, Minnesota. This 1972 Triumph TR6 Trophy carries personal history, having been owned by the seller since new. Parked in the early 2000s, the bike remains largely untouched, with good reported compression and a special edition paint scheme that appears uncommon. While it hasn't been run in many years, its originality and single-owner background add meaningful collector appeal. The TR6 is known for its strong torque and classic scrambler-inspired stance. For buyers looking for an honest, long-term ownership Triumph, this is a compelling preservation candidate. Number 13. 1981 Suzuki GS 850L, $3,500, Brumley, Missouri. With just 6,000 original miles, this 1981 Suzuki GS 850L stands out as a remarkably preserved example of a shaft-drive Japanese cruiser. Powered by an 843 cubic centimeters inline-4, it delivers smooth performance, triple disc brakes, and reliable electric start. The custom yellow paint complements clean chrome and solid mechanical condition. Known for their durability and comfort, GS 850 LS make excellent riders while remaining increasingly collectible. This example is ready to ride or display, with a clear title included. Number 14. 1987 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $3,500, Beldenville, Wisconsin. This 1987 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide offers classic touring capability at an accessible price. While not cosmetically perfect and with unknown mileage, the seller reports that it was a reliable hop-on-and-ride machine throughout last season. Electra Glides are known for their comfort, long-distance stability, and unmistakable presence. For someone seeking a budget-friendly vintage Harley touring platform, this bike delivers function first, with room for future improvements. Number 15. 1976 Honda Goldwing GL 1000, $650, Wanamingo, Minnesota. Closing out the list is one of the best bargains here. A 1976 Honda Goldwing GL 1000 priced at just $650. With 76,000 miles, this bike has proven its legendary reliability. Recent upgrades include new shocks and tires installed in 2023. Currently, the electric starter has an issue believed to be a wiring short, though the bike can be started with a Kickstarter. With a clean title and a remarkably low asking price, this GL 1000 is an excellent project or parts bike with real riding potential for the right owner. Thanks for riding along with AZ Timeless Motorcycles. Subscribe for more real-world classic motorcycle finds across America.